Hello, my name is David Gertz. We will be looking into plate tectonics as it relates to continental divergent boundaries. A continental divergent plate boundary is a location in which plates are moving away from one another. Here we can see that the two plates are moving away, and the reason for this is the rising convection currents are not strong enough to cause one single break, and so it results in many smaller rifts. Now with this, you can see that over time, the rifts get pushed out. A real-world example of a continental divergent plate boundary is the East Africa Rift Valley. Here, we can see a great visual of the many small rifts caused over time. Now, as far as the activities seen in these areas, here we can see a great example of the volcanic activity in the East African Rift Valley. Each red triangle indicates an area of volcanic activity. As you can see, along the entire valley, there are high numbers of volcanic activity. There are no experiences to little experiences of earthquakes. I hope you found this helpful.